It's raining and during monsoons, what do you like to do? I love to watch movies, just binge watch some series and just sit and snack. So today I've got a very healthy snack recipe for you, and that is made with the superfood jowar. And I'm making jowar pops. As you all know, that jowar is really good for those people who are looking at losing weight. It's loaded with minerals, antioxidants, protein, and it is loaded with good fiber. So all this while we've been having popcorns, and they are by far my favorite. But today we are going to pop the jowar pearls. Just wash these, and I'm going to strain it in a colander. Just lightly with a clean cloth, just put it, spread it so it doesn't have a lot of moisture left in it. And then you let it out in the open to dry it in the air so that there's no moisture left in it. This process will take some time, and this is how it looks after it's dried. So our pan is hot. Here goes jowar, and we have to cover it and wait for it till it pops. It's that simple and easy. Add this to your diet. Definitely you'll enjoy the health benefit. And it's movie time.